We have recently tried replacing the belt on our treadmill. It's a Vision Fitness model 9200. We found some parts on the underside of the deck that we weren't quite sure how to manage. This is a non-folding model, by the way. This part that you see there is being taken out, was attached to a plate under the frame. We found, after some looking around, that it is referred to as a walking belt guide. However, it's not clear to us whether the belt, when it is replaced, so the belt running along the underside of the deck, does the inside of the belt face this walking belt guide, or does the outside of the belt face the walking belt guide? Does the belt go in this position, or does it go in this position? Again, where does the belt go relative to the walking belt guide? There is one of these on each side of the treadmill on the frame under the deck. We are also a little bit puzzled because in all the many videos we have watched while trying to replace the walking belt, we have not seen this kind of a walking belt guide on the frame of the treadmills we have seen.